My name is Harpreet Kaur. I have done my graduation from Radharaman Institute of Technology, and after that I was working with Heidelberg Cement India Limited as a deputy manager, and I worked in SAP, and from where I thought about SAP certification. So I inquired about SAP and I got to know about Atos, and from there I completed my training, and it was a great learning experience, and thankfully I got a job in Atos only, and now I am a SAP consultant in Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Swapnil Sane. My education is that I have completed my MBA in marketing, and then in 2013 I got to know about SAP. SAP is basically the ERP system, so I got to know about it because it's related to all the ERP system which I was thinking about from last 5 to 6 years. So then I got to know about Atos. Atos is the company, as well as they have got the training centers which are pretty good. I then joined Atos, I joined the training in 2014, that is July. Completed my training. Trainer was really nice. He had an experience of probably 6 to 7 years in the SD module, which I'm working right now. And then I cleared in the first attempt because the trainer was good. Then in just 3 months, there was an opening with Atos. So that time I directly went to the interview, cleared the interview, and now working in the company that is Atos in SD module.
Hi all, my name is Anurag Mishra and I am a BE graduate. I have completed my BE in computer engineering. So after computer engineering, I thought what next to do. So I always wanted to do something different from others. So I chose SAP as my next step. So then I did a little bit R&D about SAP. So what is SAP? It is an ERP, and I would definitely give it a thumbs up for the training purpose and the placements. So and the certification from Atos. So the journey was excellent. I would give it a 5 out of 5 star rating also. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Tejaswini Borkote and I have completed my MBA from MIT College of Institute. After completing my MBA, I was working with a marketing firm for 2 years, and after this I thought of changing my career into SAP. So I googled SAP, what is SAP and how it is leading right now. So I found out Atos is an SAP service provider. I went for counseling into SAP, into Atos, and got to know that SAP CRM would be the best module which is suitable for me in SAP Atos. So we started on with the certification. My training was completed in 21 days. After the training, we had an exam, and I cleared the exam with a flying colors. After SAP certification, we got a interview calls for SAP CRM. We had mails through our SAP training partners, and then I got placed with Atos. So now I am trained by SAP Atos, and I placed in SAP Atos. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Sheetal Gorambekar. Basically I am a BE mechanical guy and having 2 years of experience in automobile domain. So I was there as an end user for SAP. So while working there, I got to know about this SAP course. So this is a globally accepted certification. So and I got this information from my seniors and friends. So I choose that. Then I got to know about the Atos as a training center. We know Atos is a big MNC in IT solutions. So I choose Atos. I got excellent support from counselor, good infrastructure, good training. And the main point is I got a placement with Atos. So I am very happy with my decision, and I definitely recommend Atos as a SAP training center. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Swati Parmar. I completed my MCA from Bharati Vidyapeeth in 2011. After that, I worked as a tester and developer for two years. As I saw many opportunities in SAP field, I planned to do my certification in SAP ABAP. I did it from Atos, as it provides very good opportunities. I got placed from Atos, and just after completing my certification from Atos, I started getting very nice interview calls from MNCs like Deolite, SAP Labs, Capgemini, and then I got selected in Atos itself. So my experience after joining Atos was very fabulous. So I suggest all my friends out here to join ATOS as it provides many good opportunities.